Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glove Box, what we're going to do today is we are taking advantage of some good weather. Tomorrow it is supposed to be cold, be down in the 20s in the morning, and wind blowing up to 45 miles an hour. So these last couple of days it's been up in the 70s, and so I've been taking advantage of all this. But I got the wheels installed on the Studebaker. Let's check it out. Well, here's the Vision wheels that I installed on the Studebaker, and I've just about got the front suspension at the height that I want it, maybe a little higher, and so I'll be tweaking that. These wheels are the Vision wheels, the Torque, and they're 18-inch by 8.5, and the tires that I installed are 235/40 18s. That's the same size the Cadillac used on some of their models, and so I felt like that'd be a easy enough tire to get whenever I wanted one. Well, something that I bought myself, it was one of those Cricut sticker cutters, and I've been playing with it and all that, and so I made just a little Studebaker sticker to stick on top of my spare tire cover, and I'll take you up front and I'll show you what I did up front. And here's a sticker that I made for the front up there on top of the I guess you'd call it the Radiator Shroud, and it just lets people know what they're looking at when they come up and look at it, because this car doesn't have an excess amount of badging on it, but anyway, that turned out pretty well too. So anyway, guys, I do appreciate you coming by the shop today and kind of helping me check out these new tires and wheels that I got on there. I'll probably try to raise it up just a little bit in the front end to kind of get a little more clearance, but everything's looking good. So as always, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.